Hi everyone, this is Alexander Antsipov, and in this video I'm going to show how to create a mobile application with navigation. I will use Appery mobile platform and their new editor, Ionic 4. Let's create empty application, navigation app. By default, Appery application has only one screen, screen 1, so let's create second screen with name screen 2. Let's came back to screen 1 and add button. After tapping on this button, user will be navigated from screen 1 to screen 2. For that, let's a little bit customize button. Specify expand property as a full, and let's specify the text of button as screen 2. The most easiest way to set up a navigation is using routing property. For that, let's select from the drop-down route name screen 2. And last step, let's specify title toolbar screen 1 as screen 1 and screen 2 as screen 2. Just to understand that we are on the particular screen. Our application is ready and we can test it. Press test button. Application is ready, and let's test how screen 2 button works. Just press on it, and as we can see, we were navigated to screen 2. Now let's add back button from screen 2 to screen 1. For that, let's add button into toolbar and specify component property as a back button. Press save, and now let's test again. We are on the screen 1, let's press screen 2 button. Now we see the back button, let's press it. So as you can see, we were navigated back to screen 1. Now let's consider situation when it is needed to pass some parameters during navigation. We will pass parameter from screen 1 to screen 2. For that, first let's add input component, and also let's add variable param. Specify property ng model of input component as a param, and also let's update routing value of screen 2. Let's specify that we will pass parameter as a pass parameter. And last step, we have to specify parameter as a routing variable. Let's type param here. Save, and now let's test. To see that our value of input component is passed as pass parameter, let's remove the frame to see the full URL. And now let's specify value. For example, test. Now, as you can see, value test is passed as a pass parameter. The next question, how to get parameter value on the screen 2. For that, let's come back to screen 2. And also let's add param variable here. Then let's add text component and specify text as a param. And our last step, let's get the value of our parameter and set param variable. For that, we will add event on page showing and specify set variable action. Here we have to select variable name param, then specify the name of our parameter, which also is a param, and don't forget to enable read from routing parameter checkbox. Press save and let's test. Let's provide some value, for example test. Press screen 2. So as you can see, the value test was displayed on screen 2. That is all what I wanted to show. If you like this video, please subscribe to this channel. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in comments.